Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into how to get started with online trading, explained for beginners. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's get into the video. Online trading is a popular way to invest in stocks, currencies, commodities, and other financial instruments. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn a good return on your investment. However, if you're new to online trading, it can be overwhelming to get started. Here's a beginner's guide on how to get started with online trading. Educate yourself. Before you start trading, it's essential to learn the basics of online trading. You can start by reading articles, watching videos, and taking online courses on trading strategies, financial analysis, and risk management. Choose a broker. A broker is a platform that provides you with access to the financial markets. Choose a broker that is regulated and reputable, with a user-friendly platform, low fees, and good customer support. Open an account. Once you have chosen a broker, you can open an account. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth, and in some cases, a government-issued ID. Fund your account. After opening an account, you'll need to fund it with money to start trading. Most brokers offer several payment options, including bank transfer, credit card, and e-wallets. Choose your investment. Online trading allows you to invest in various financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, forex, and commodities. Choose an investment that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Analyze the market. Before making any trade, conduct market analysis to determine whether the investment is likely to increase or decrease in value. You can use technical and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. Place your trade. Once you've analyzed the market, it's time to place your trade. Choose the investment you want to trade, the amount you want to invest, and whether you want to buy or sell. Monitor your investment. After placing your trade, monitor your investment's performance regularly. If the market moves against you, consider cutting your losses to minimize your risk. In conclusion, online trading can be a rewarding investment opportunity for beginners. However, it's essential to educate yourself, choose a reputable broker, and make informed trading decisions. By following these steps, you can get started with online trading and potentially earn a good return on your investment.